Sometimes the work set by your child's class teacher might be more of a practical nature, for example, building a structure or creating a short video to show something that they've done. In that instance, it's really nice for your child's class teacher to see what they have done. And instead of uploading your video or your photo onto your computer desktop and then putting it into Hub, there is a j2launch app that you can download from the App Store. So when you search for it, it looks like this, and it's free to download. When you open the app, it will come up with this page, j2launch, but it gives you all these options of how you'd like to log in. So obviously for this purpose, we're going to log in using Hub. Once you log in with your child's Hub details, their username and password, you will then come up with this j2launch page, which looks very similar to when you log in on a laptop or on a tablet. You will then need to select your child's My Files, and that's where all their work will be saved that they've been doing at home. Here on the left-hand side, it's not very clear on this video, there is an option to upload files. So if you click on upload files, then it will come up with all the things that are on your phone or on your tablet, wherever you've taken that video or taken the picture. All you would need to do is select where your picture is or where your video is, click on it, and up in the top corner here, there'll be an option to add to files. So click on add to files, and then it will automatically upload and add to your child's file.